brushes have to be straight up. To first put down, this is the thick lines all the way, to use entire brush to make a straight line. That's a thick one. Then if we want to make middle range, the thickness, you can use halfway. So put it straight, not all the way, straight in half, and bring down with the same pressure, like this. And if you really want to make a small line, use the tip of the brush and bring a little far, hold far, so you have a more flexible line. To put the little tip and go straight like this. Japanese calligraphy is only one brush. You can draw thick line, thin middle line, and thin line, and then you can think more thin line. So this is a Japanese calligraphy technique.